The functional dimension of digital literacy helps users move from simply scrolling online to understanding how political information reaches them. In the third video, we explain what users should pay attention to when looking at political content online in order to improve their digital literacy skills. The third element moves from platform mechanisms to the user's experience of political content. Once political information appears in a feed, recommendation, group, video, story, or message, users need to recognize what kind of content they are consuming and how it may influence their understanding of politics. Online political content includes campaign videos, candidate posts, public debates, memes, podcasts, political adverts, reels, stories, and messages shared by friends or groups. Users are not only exposed to political content, they interpret, react, and may circulate it further. Political content consumption is the moment when users encounter and make sense of political information online. Users often come across political information incidentally while scrolling, watching videos, following influencers, joining groups, or receiving private messages. Online consumption is not passive. Users interpret what they see, decide whether it feels credible or relevant, and may react through likes, comments, shares, or further discussion. When a user sees political content online, the first reaction is often immediate: click, like, comment, or share. This pathway suggests a better sequence. Start by observing what kind of content it is. Then identify who is behind it. Next, understand why the platform is showing it. After that, verify the information before treating it as reliable. Only then should the user decide what to do with it. The point isn't to make users suspicious of everything they see online. The point of the pathway is to help them pause, read the signals, and respond responsibly. Online political messages can be persuasive because they often look familiar: a news item, joke, meme, short video, or sponsored post. But before accepting or sharing them, users should look for the signals behind the message. The first signal is source: who is speaking? The second is funding: who is paying? The third is advertising: is the content promoted? The fourth is AI: has the content been generated or manipulated using AI software? And the fifth is data: why was this message shown to me? These questions help users move beyond the content itself and into understanding the conditions that brought the content to them. Digital platforms expand access to political information, but they can also expose users to disinformation, political microtargeting and data profiling, emotional manipulation, and AI-generated or manipulated content. Each risk requires a practical solution to mitigate it. For disinformation, users should verify the source and compare the claim with other reliable sources. For political microtargeting and data profiling, users should ask who paid for the message, why they've been shown it, and what personal data may have been used. For emotionally manipulating content, users should avoid sharing impulsively and instead ask what emotion the message is trying to trigger. And for AI-generated or deepfake content, users should search for the original source and look for corroborating evidence. Functional literacy is therefore not only about knowing how platforms work, it also means knowing what to notice, what to verify, and which habits can reduce risk.